Hello, we are Team Pura. I'm Justine. I'm Bea.
I'm Ed. I'm Adrian. I'm Kevin.
And this is our sprint retrospective. So first, for me, what went well? The app went well. It was working on the mobile simulator. What didn't go so well? There are a lot of things that needed to be improved, but that's okay. So what have I learned? I learned how to make an app. What still puzzles me is uh, I'm still puzzled about how to use Scrum efficiently. So what went well? Everything in the app was working. What didn't go so well? The construction of database. What have I learned to work with my teammates? What still puzzles me?
Okay, for me, what went well, the whole app went well, including the sprint, and yeah. So what didn't go so well? For me, all of it went pretty well. So yeah. And what have I learned? I learned that it takes you have to have like a certain attitude towards working together and working as a team. And what still puzzles me, uh,
So for me, what went well, the collection of the data for the events and news went really well, and what didn't go so well, nothing really went well. Nothing really did went well. What have I learned? I have learned that there are many more options and possibilities that we could do for the app that would benefit the American more. One still puzzles me how would we connect everything and make it better.
So lastly, for me, what went well is that our ideas were put into what happened, which we're happy that it happened. What didn't go so well is that uh, nothing didn't go so well. What have I learned is that you can make an app with a team of with your teammates, and what still puzzles me is that uh, yeah, nothing puzzles me. We're good.
So that would be all for our sprint retrospective. Thank you.